our next lodge called Valle Escondido. Did I say that right, Stace? Quick run through, you know, bathroom, big mirror, nice walk-in shower. Yeah. Nice little storage space for all your clothes and everything. We got a fridge in this one, which is nice. Safe, kind of basic hotel stuff. I think it was cheaper to get 2 beds. Not that me and Stacy hate each other, but you know, we ended up getting the 2 fulls. But yeah, pretty big room. No AC because the weather's not that bad here. It's got a big fan in here. And then take you out to the balcony. Stacy's figuring out what we're gonna do. It's cloudy right now, but not a bad view. So that's it. This is our room at Valle Escondido in the Monteverde Cloud Forest. And I can't roll my R, so sorry. See him carrying some stuff too. Like the soldiers.
Can you see right there? I guess less. Very good. No.
Oh yeah, perfect.
There is a frog type. That's the reason why it is stay here around the river. Eating the frogs. Actually, she's escaping. You can see that she is still touching the.
Just ate something. Yeah.
Yeah. look over here, guys. It's trying to find that frog that is making lots of down.
Really small. Froggaster species of it. I like that bug. He looks deadly.
He looks deadly. He's gonna
Okay, so we have leafcutter ants, like we've seen throughout this whole trip. But here is their gigantic mound. It's pretty big. With multiple points of entry. There's another one over here somewhere. There it is. So yeah, that's a big mound. Ooh, we found something good.